So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can instantly identify any song playing near you using an inbuilt feature of your iPhone. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the control panel, and here you can find this option of S, something like S, that says Sejam. Or all in, if you don't find it, just simply press and hold to a blank space on your control panel and hit add control and search Shazam over there. And here you're gonna see, if you want to, here you can see recognize music. And once you see this option of recognize music, just simply add this one right there. And here you're gonna see, once you tap and hold over there and hit on this option of recognize music, now it started a process of recognizing music that will play around you, and it will give you the notification if once it recognizes that particular music. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.